Last month I was playing video games and then suddenly I get a call from a friend, and I didn't want to receive because I was playing games, but I did. Hello. And then they replied, hello bro, we are really getting depressed, can you come over? I was shocked. Okay, so what happened? And I went there. When I arrived, I saw that both my friends were smoking and discussing stuff. And then when they saw me, they said, MEGHRAJ, you are making money, but we are not. So we are getting depressed. How do we can make money? So that's a very tricky question, but after discussing a few things, I get to know that being a Gen Z, they have the interest in internet and technology. So after discussing a while, finally we have came to the conclusion that they should do that one thing that they can earn the passive money. So it's been 2 months till now, and they have started generating money. So what did they do? What did we decide? So today in this video, I will let you know how you can also make passive income within 1 to 2 months. If you follow my steps completely, you can also make money as well. So watch this video till the end, because this video is based on true story. Are you ready to make money while you sleep, which is called passive money? So then affiliate marketing is the way. But wait, you might have heard a lot about affiliate strategies. You might have stepped 1 or 2 times, but you didn't earn anything. But this will not be that video. Trust me, if you follow the process, you will definitely be earning money as my good friends. So let's dive in. So affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn commissions by promoting other companies or other people's product or services. It is an excellent way to generate income as a commission on each sale made through your unique affiliate link. This is the beauty of affiliate marketing, because you don't have to make any such product, or you don't have to do any of the hurdles of making any products or market research or anything like that. So you don't have to even have a hefty amount of money to create a product. Isn't it amazing? So our first step on this journey to find profitable affiliate programs. To maximize the profit, it's crucial to find an affiliate program that aligns with your needs and has a good commission rate. Go to many popular affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, ClickBanks, or Share a Sale. So there are many popular affiliate programs. You just search and pick the one that suits you best. What to do next is coming up. Don't skip the video yet. So we have completed the first point. Now come to the next point, which is building an affiliate marketing strategy. To success in affiliate programs, you need to make sure that you have a solid strategy that focuses on providing value to your audiences and driving conversions, because ultimately we want this. So for this, we have few proven strategies or steps that you should follow, which are high quality content, leveraging SEO techniques to drive organic traffic, utilizing emails marketing to nurture leads, and utilizing social media platforms. Many of us only uses social media for sharing your posts, selfies, and get likes, but not this time. Now you post to get money, not to waste time. So let's go to the steps. First, let's produce high quality contents. You establish yourself as authority in that niche and build trust with your audiences. For example, if you go to the social media platforms of your idols or celebrities, you definitely get to see that they post selfies or pictures, which he in turn in the descriptions he also writes a few things about what he did and what are the products he is using, right? So now you are going to do the same, not to waste time but to get your own benefits. Now along with the quality, what's next? We have to focus is that this must be SEO optimizable. This should be in such a way that you have to do some research on keyword, optimizing your titles, giving a very valuable meta descriptions, and using relevant keywords throughout your content. And how to do that? There's always the Google Baba. You can go and then search trending keywords for the needs, and Google will provide you the data. So Google is giving us the opportunity, but we didn't know how to optimize it, how to use it for our own benefits. But now you know. What is the result of this SEO? This makes that your content are visible through the searches. So another effective strategy is to nurture your leads via email marketing. By providing an email list and sending targeted and customized content to that list will build a trust and rapport to your audiences, and that will benefit them to get the products they want, and it will lead to the conversion you need. Remember that building trust and credibility is the key here. Just like the Amazon offers or Flipkart offers you see in the advertisements make you buy stuff that you didn't even need it, right? Remember last time, what did you buy on the sales? Right? Comment yes or no. Have you bought something on sales that you didn't need it after a few days or after a few weeks? This happens to us every time, and this is the power of building trust and customizing offers. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of social medias, right? Utilize these platforms to promote your content, create engaging shareable content that your audiences might want to share, leverage relevant hashtags, engage with your audiences, and collaborate with the influencers in your niche. And how to do this? Hashtags and collaboration, that is also you can do Google Baba. Keep in mind that internet landscape is evolving rapidly, so don't be afraid to experiment your strategies, analyze your result, and adapt your approach based on your feedbacks and analytics. This helps you optimize your performance and maximize your affiliate marketing success. If you are still continuing this video till now, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And just remember, now we are going to share the most valuable thing on this affiliate journey, because this is most important part. Now come to the point 3, which is creating the content. Without your content, there is nothing. Literally, there is nothing. So your content motivates your audiences to buy or purchase the product. You have to focus on creating your content in such a way that your audiences imagines the result you want to sell, and then just let them buy what they needed for that result. If you have noticed, while you are scrolling to the Instagram, while you are scrolling to the Facebook, YouTube, when you see the ads, they uses the same tactics. They sell the result to you. Next time you see an ad, analyze that advertisement, how they are doing it. That will help you. There's also a trick to create some content, is that you can create a product reviews. Many people, even you, might have searched many times for buying a mobile, right? You can do the same. You can pick a product, then give the product review, and if a review you are sharing is a kind of negative one, then you mention the positive affiliate product link inside your comment. That motivates, that results your audience to gain trust on you, and then that also results your audience to click on that link. That's a trick to be used. Comparing video. After creating product reviews, now you can compare 2 or 3 products in a line, and then let your audiences know which one is the best, and then give all the links below. That way they will gain your trust, and they will like to buy the best you have chosen, you have reviewed. And come on, you can subscribe if you haven't already, just to get these tricks. I'm waiting for the notification for your subscription. Now the next step is building trust and credibility. So, have you seen the Slumdog Millionaire movie or Kaun Banega Crorepati? So now this is $1 million question to you. Okay, so let's start. What plays a vital role in affiliate marketing? Option 1, dog. Option 2, cat. Option 3, alien. Option 4, trust. Pick the correct option within 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It's trust. Yes. Start go! You got it right. So trust plays a vital role in your affiliate marketing success. When your audiences trust your content, when audiences trust you, your recommendations, they are most likely to purchase through your affiliate links. So now there's one more question arises in our mind, that come on man, everyone says do affiliate links and create the trust, but nobody says how to do it. I have told you that this video is a unique one based on true story. So I will let you know how to build trust step by step. Number 1, be transparent about your affiliate partnerships. Let your audience know that you will earn commissions based on your affiliate products when your audience make a purchase. This transparency builds trust with your audience and shows that you prioritize honesty and integrity. Number 2, offer honest and unbiased reviews. While reviewing affiliate products, provide an objective assessment of pros and cons. Your audience will appreciate your honesty and rely on your recommendations, knowing that you have their best interest in mind. Number 3, share personal experiences with the products that you have used. If you have used the products, let your audience also know that what that affects you the actual benefits you have got and the actual cons you have got as well. This personal touch adds authenticity to your recommendations and helps your audience connect with you on a deeper level. Deeper level means high ticket sales and in turn high amount of money. Number 4, provide valuable content beyond your affiliate programs. Share informative articles, tutorials, tips to engage your audience on your needs by consistently delivering the value, and prove yourself, make yourself as a trusted source that your audience might wanna come to you before purchasing a product. Why to go somewhere else? Because they trust you and they will buy from you. Number 5, address your audiences with their concerns. Address their pain points. Reply to each and every comments that you get from your audiences, messages or emails. That increases more trust with your audiences. And finally, this is a hard one, by the way. Collaborate with your trusted influencers or experts in your needs. I have shared how to collaborate with the influencers you want in the last video. If you haven't already, go and check my last video. And after you collaborate with the reputed or already verified influencers, that will make your audiences trust you more and build more confidence in your recommendations. That also helps you get more audiences and more. Remember, building trust takes time and consistency. Other all the parts you can do is so easy, you can do it like within a day, but building trust takes time. That is why I said my friends did it for continuously around 2 months and finally they are getting to see the results. And if you do that, you will get the result as well. Finally, we come to the 6th point, which is tracking and optimizing performance. You want to grow your business, right? Then this point is crucial. To maximize your passive income in affiliate marketing, it's essential to track your affiliate marketing efforts and your performance and make data-driven optimizations. So now let's explore how you can use some tools to optimize this performance. There are some important tools like Google Analytics, Affiliating Network Dashboard, or some third-party tracking platforms provide valuable insights. They allow you to track the metrics such as clicks, click-through rate, conversions, and earnings. So what is the benefits of tracking clicks? Tracking clicks helps you understand which affiliate links are generating most interest of your audiences. By analyzing the click-through rates, you can identify the most engaging content and optimize your marketing strategy. So now tracking conversion. So tracking conversion helps you to track which link makes you more sales. Then you can push that strategy or push that content more or create that kind of content so that you get the more purchase and the more money. And lastly, by analyzing the data from analytic tools, you can identify pattern and trends. So this pattern and trends will be the static process that you need. This pattern and trends always keep changing, not the strategy but the content keeps changing. Focus on that part because you need to update yourself towards the trends, right? So this is, guys, so I have shared you the whole insights, the whole step-by-step guide that you need to be successful in this affiliate marketing strategy. Unlike the other videos, this helps you to take actions being guided. So what are you waiting for? Let's start your journey from now. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like this video and share it to your friends. If you do it alone, you might feel alone, so you include your friends with the journey as well. So share this video and start the journey together. So see you in the next video. I know you can make it. Till then, bye.